Good afternoon, class. Welcome back to our science class. Okay, so this afternoon we are going to continue our lesson about soil. Right? So let's have a review first before we will begin. Okay, so this morning we talk about soil, and soil is made up of withered rocks, air, and water, and organic matter. So that is soil made of. And class, there are soil layers. There are 5 soil layers. What are those again? Do you still remember? All right, so the first layer of a soil is the humus. Humus, I spell Humus. And the second part is topsoil. Topsoil, I spell Topsoil. The third layer of the soil is called subsoil. Subsoil, I spell Subsoil. The fourth layer of the soil is called parent material. Parent material, I spell Parentmaterial. And the last layer of the soil is called bedrock. Bedrock, I spell Bedrock. So these are the soil layers. Now let's continue learning about soil class. Okay, so soils has types, okay? So these are the 6 types of soil. The first one, this soil is called sandy soil. The second one is called chalky soil. Third, it's peaty soil. Fourth, it is clay soil. Fifth, it is silty soil. And sixth, loamy soil. So look at carefully how the soil looks like, class. It's very different from each other. Okay, here in Cambodia, you can see a lot of sandy soil and loamy soil, okay, and clay soil in Cambodia. Okay, let's study more. Okay, this one is a clear picture of the types of soil. So again, class, what do you call this soil? If you see this type of soil, this soil is called sandy soil. Okay, sandy soil, I spell. You still remember how to spell sandy soil? Okay, sandy soil, I spell Sandy. Sandy soil, I spell Soil. Okay, class, the first picture. This picture is called sandy soil. Okay, how about this one? What do you call this picture? This soil is called chalky soil. Okay, if you see there are white stones with the dark soil, that is called chalky soil. Okay, chalky soil, I spell Chalky. Okay, chalky. And soil, I spell Soil. One more time, class. This soil is called chalky soil. Next, this one is, what type of soil is it? This type of soil is peaty soil. Okay, peaty soil, I spell P-E-A-T-Y. Peaty. And soil, I spell S-O-I-L. Again, class, what do you call this soil? This soil is called peaty soil. Peaty soil, I spell Peatysoil. Okay, next picture. This picture, what type of soil is it? This type of soil is called clay soil. Okay, one more time. This is called clay soil. And clay soil, I spell Claysoil. Okay, that is clay soil. Next one, class, what do you call this? This one is called, if you see this type of soil, this is called silty soil. Okay, silty soil, I spell S-I-L-T-Y-S-O-I-L. Silty soil. Okay? Silty soil, I spell S-I-L-T-Y-S-O-I-L. And the last one, class, that is called loamy soil. Okay, loamy soil, I spell Loamysoil. Loamy soil. Okay, one more time, class. These are the 6 types of soil. First one, this is sandy soil. Second, chalky soil. Third, peaty soil. Fifth, clay soil. Fifth, fourth, clay soil. Fifth is silty soil. And the last one is loamy soil. All right, now let's practice. Okay, let's find out the words from here below. Okay, let's read. This is sand, silt, clay, loam, soil, compost, nutrients, organic, decompose, humus, bedrock, withering, and erosion. So we have here organic, okay, and compost. So organic and compost, it's already finished. Let's try to find, okay, bedrock. Okay, let's erase bedrock here. Where else? What word? Silt. Okay, let's erase silt. And next one, we have clay. So let's erase clay. Next one, nutrients. So it's, okay, nutrients. Next is withering. So we will erase withering here. Okay, decomposed. Okay, here is the, humus. Okay, humus. So let's erase humus. And next one. All right, composed, it's finished already. Next is soil. So let's have erase soil. Next is erosion. Erosion here. And next, let's find out organic is already finished. Next one is sand. Okay, sand is here. And last one, decompose. This one. And the last part is the loam soil. Okay, the last one. All right, class. So I hope you learned something from our class for this afternoon. Again, this is Teacher LM, and I hope you have a good afternoon and you learned something from this video. Goodbye, class, and see you again tomorrow.